Hello, and welcome to How to Use Google Drive Apps. I'm Reece C, and I'm from the PCSA Digi Leaders. First of all, I'm going to show you what Google Apps is. It is basically a part of Google Drive. It's how you can access Word documents, PowerPoint documents, Excel documents, and other such like file types. It is something Google has created by itself. It is not in any way to do with Word, other than the fact it uses the same files. So to start off, you must click New, and if you want to put anything in a folder, you must click Folder. You can name the folder what you want, for example, Apps. Then either click Create or press the Enter button. Once this is done, you will see the folder here selected. To unselect it, click anywhere else. To open it, double click. Once it's opened, you'll see it's empty. So if you click New and then any of these, it will create a new file. So I'm going to click Google Docs. So as you can see, it's opened something that looks a bit like a Word document, and essentially it is. To name it, you must click Untitled Document and name it what you want. So I'm going to name it Google Docs. Then I'm going to press Enter. Now it's all done. So if I were to type in Google, it's typed in straight away. And as you can see, it's saved in Drive here. Now if you wanted to change how this is coloured and everything in the formatting, you go into the format options, you can make it bold, change the colour, underline it, and as you can see, it's saving. So now it's saved. If I were to close it down or something went wrong, it would still be on the Google Drive. Now, if I want to type in some more stuff, I can type it in, or I can go on a new line and type it in as well. At the moment, it's normal text, but you can change the style to title, subtitle, heading, etc., etc. So other than this, it is basically the same as Microsoft Word. There is help and other things the same as Word. The only difference is it's drop downs like the old Word. In the new Word, everything shows up here. So that's about it for Google Docs. Now if I were to close it, I just need to click here, and this brings me to the Docs home. But then to go back to Drive again, click Menu and Drive. And it's opened my Google Drive again. So now you must navigate back to where you are. And back into my Apps folder. And everything I just did has been saved into Google Docs. Now I'm going to show you Google Sheets. Google Sheets is the same as Excel. I clicked the wrong one. Try not to do that in the actual, when you're making documents. It makes you look a bit silly. So now, my folder's here. Open the folder, and new Google Sheets. So again, this will open up a little document, except this time it looks a bit more like Excel. Again, name it what you want, so I'm going to name it Google Sheets, and press Enter. Now, everything here is again the same as Excel. You can change the font, you can do all the formatting, bold, everything like that, and it's saving everything I do as I go along. I can insert rows and columns. I can even make a new sheet. At the bottom it has sheet 1, but I can also add a new sheet which is called sheet 2. You can rename these sheets, duplicate them, copy them, whatever you want really. It's up to you. Again, you can print with the control buttons, undo, redo, And other than that, again, it's the same as Excel. So now, go into there, which brings you to Sheets Home. This is everything you've done in Sheets, as it was in Word and Docs. When you save or download a file from Google Drive that was done in Docs, Sheets, or any other thing like that, it will save as a Word file, an Excel file, whatever it would have been before you uploaded it. If you upload a Word file, you will automatically open it in any of these. And last but not least, Google Slides. This is basically PowerPoint. So you can click here, do what you like, but before you do anything like that, you must select your theme. There are loads of themes here, and you can in fact import themes, but those you will have to either download or create yourself. Or anything you've already done on PowerPoint or Slides will also turn into a theme if you save it to your drive. Again, you can name it Google Slides and press enter or click the OK button, and you can edit it as you would in Microsoft PowerPoint. The only difference is the present button and such like is here. If you were to present it, it will go a bit like this. And there you go. That's basically all it is. You can add notes at the bottom, all your slides would appear here. Everything is exactly the same. Now if I were to go into Slides Home, everything I've done in Slides would show there, and back into Drive. And now, if I wanted to delete this folder at the end, I would click the folder, and then I would click remove. The folder is gone. It's in my bin, but it's gone from here. If I wanted it back, I'd have to go into bin, select the folder, restore, and now it would go back into where it was. Now, there are other things you can download. Google Drawings, Google Forms, Google Apps Script. All these things are exactly as they say. Google Forms is basically creating an online form where people can check boxes, enter their own answers, whatever they want to do. Google Drawings opens any picture or anything like that, even creates them, I think, and then you can edit them and do really what you like with them, and it will save them to your drive. Google Apps Script is what you can use to develop software using coding. That one's pretty complicated, but if you want to do it, it also helps you quite a bit with tutorials. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.